back, everyone. It's Matthew, and it's the 6th of the 2nd, 2017. And we're on the Mexico cams this evening. So I'm going to show you now this footage on this Mexico cam. You will see a body, an object, just up here. Now, I believe this object to be NEMESIS. If you look on as I go through the cam, okay, I'll turn the thing down. You can see this object coming that's reflecting above those chemtrails. Now these here are broken clouds, and then you've got chemtrails above them. You can see this, can't you? This isn't our sun. This object here, this is a large, heavy body that's up there. I'm going to go now to it again so you can see it go disappearing. Okay. You can see that, can't you? So it moves away again. Get another light source here, this blue reflection again. The white plasma up there. This is a heavenly body moving away. See again, disappears. Amongst all this haze. There you go. This is another object that's up there. We're going to go to another cam now, but it's interesting to see all the different cams and see what's going on, because we are seeing some different light sources every single day on these cams. I took a look at the Soho cams as well, and I noticed that the sun is being affected even more. The coronal holes have got bigger. There's more evidence of other objects that are spinning around up there and moving about at very fast speeds around the sun. Huge asteroids and meteorites and bits of rock and just lots of trash that's being belted around from the Nibiru system, I believe. And you can see here clearly that there is a light, huge light source that's up there. I'm going to go to another cam now, so respect to everybody. I hope you had a good day yesterday, and I'm going to move on now. This is very interesting, this cam as well. This is also in Mexico. And I want to show you this as well, okay? So, now, think about this, right? The sun is coming up from the other side. This camera is pointing the opposite side of the sun as it rises. But we're getting this huge reflection from the other side on the horizon as well. And I believe this to be Nibiru, wormwood, the frightened, whatever you wish to call it. These objects on the other side as well, these heavenly bodies that are coming in, helium, the moons, lots of trash. Now last summer I took a video of this huge object coming down the horizon when I was over in Hull. And to be honest with you, I was worried about it. It was really, really spectacular. And then while I got home, I adjusted the video and basically put it on, downloaded it onto my old channel. I noticed there's a lot of trash behind it. So these large, heavenly bodies are out there. And basically I believe now that we're in the crossing. Because news media sort of acting strange as well. There's a lot of people that are acting differently, you know? And basically, I've noticed this, edgy, do you know what I mean? And also, far too many chemtrails up there now, far too many chemtrails up there. They're up there all the time. I'm going to now show you this cam. Look on the horizon on the opposite side. You'll see the sunlight on the face of the buildings. I see the sun's rising on the other side. And you can see this. This isn't our sun, this is another object. The sun is coming up from the other side. You can see now the buildings are lighting up. And look at this. This red trash. And this is another body. This is definitely another reflection that's coming up. We get this from the sun as well. And can you see that it's going down again? It's bringing itself down again. And then it's lighting up, so we're having other reflections from heavenly bodies all the time. Here we go again, we've got another reflection coming through, the blue reflection. So there's lots of different things going on up there now, let's see. Now this is a reflection coming up from the sun, the binary twins. They're on the opposite side. There is definitely another reflection coming up from the other side. And it's been getting bigger every day. Every single day it's been getting larger. Noticed it on the different cams. And then it goes down. The sun goes away. The sun's up, and this reflection goes away, disappears. So we are getting huge reflections. I'm going to go to another cam now to see if I can find any other evidence now. This is another image, another part of Mexico as well. Look at the clouds, very strange, aren't they? And I just want to say as well that I've noticed as well, you're getting this reflection from the simulator and also all these other angles to the left side, but we're not getting on the right side. And I believe that we've got the object, one of these heavenly bodies that are around here somewhere. Look at these strange clouds. These clouds are just like coming out of the sky. Look how grey they are, strange in all these chems. These are all chemtrails. They're spraying all over Mexico as well. It's lens flare, this red object here. And also, I mean, there's so many strange clouds like there was on them images last night. We're seeing some strange clouds all over the world now. And I believe it's to do with the Earth's magnetic pull, where it's pulling from the Nibiru magnetic pull. The whole system is agitated, and our Mother Earth is being agitated every single day now. Things are changing. There's more reports of sinkholes and also earthquakes. It's basically we're falling apart, aren't we? We are slowly falling apart. And this propaganda media lies, government pay them to lie face to us. They really do. Sadly, people around the world still believe in them. But we, the subscribers, and also many viewers and people with knowledge and know that the truth is out there now, know it's coming. They know it's coming. There's something huge happening to our Earth now. And the skies prove it. I mean, look at the state of these clouds. I'm going to flip through this cam now to see what we can find. Because be interested in what the morning sun looked like, to see if we can catch anything up there. And these people on the ground, way on the ground here, it's only time now, it's got to be a situation now for them to be able to know now, to make them look up, to see that things are changing. As you can see there, the chemtrails are being burnt by the sun, because the sun is burning twice as much. I've said this many times before. The binary twin nemesis is very close now to us. These shadows and reflections are coming up on our horizons now, and they're very, very big now. They're very big. It's only a matter of time, as I said before, that we're going to see the heads of these planets, these celestial bodies that are going to be coming up on the horizons. I'm going to go to another cam now, Well, I'm going to go through this cam and I'm going to see what I can find through the cam. Hold on. This is very interesting, this cam, okay? You'll see the binary twin horizon. You will see on there the orange haze from the binary twin. And also here you're going to see 2 or 3 different reflections that come up. That's not our sun, okay? We've got another reflection that goes back down again. As I said before, I think we've got other objects that are like suns. They really are very bright objects. Now, the thing is, can you see that drop? Now, the thing is, the sun should be rising here. We're getting a drop. 1, 2, it's down again. Got these reflections, the sky is dark, like a grey haze. Here is the reflection that's coming up from the binary twin. These are failed chemtrails. You can see this now, reflections, 2 light sources, and we're getting this blue reflection. Now watch this and be very interesting because we've got this blue sky down here and we'll have this strange blue reflection here from this object, this blue object that lights up the skies in the evenings. Okay, watch this. See it coming up now. Here's the haze from the binary twin. And now you will see this object coming up. This is the simulator. This is our sun that's coming up. This is the yellowness that we normally see. Okay? Now, the sun is coming from this angle. Okay? We're getting this blue light source. Now the sun is coming up. You'll get a reflection from the sun. Here's the reflection from our sun. Okay, so on the buildings here, got this blue object that's rising up there in the skies. Watch this. Watch this. Here's the sun reflection. Then, I'm sorry, I apologise about the tapping. Here we go. Look at this. The sun is now up in the air, up here. Now, what is this? This isn't our sun. This object is not our sun, because watch this now, you'll see the blue reflection above the mountain. Here we go. There is an object that's here that's not supposed to be here. Okay? Look at the blue at the top there and all around. Now, the thing is though, the sun is up here on the left hand side and we've got this blue strange object that's in the sky. If I go back, it doesn't go back. I'm going to go back. Hold on a sec. Here it is here. You can see, can't you? This object. Is this the simulator? It could be the simulator because we're getting this blue, white look, aren't we? In front of the sun. You saw the sun coming up, and is this the object? Is this the cloaking device that's hiding all the heavenly bodies? Is this it? Anyway, I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. Because you can clearly see that it's not our sun. You can see the blueness around the top there and around the bottom. We're going to put on the cam now, so we'll see what we can find. Here's another cam that I'm going to show you from Mexico as well. Okay? Now, basically, look at this. You can see this is pointing north. And you can see basically these grey chemtrails. Also, all this haze. These are not real clouds. Always remember this. These are chemtrails and also chemicals that have been sprayed in the sky early hours of the morning across the sun. Also, you can see that it's quite dark there as well. Very dark. So I'm going to flip through the cam now for you. So the thing is on this cam as well, we're getting this red reflection, this blue reflection. All across the horizon, it's getting bigger, a lot more bigger than it's ever been before. A lot more bigger than it's ever been before. This huge light source is cutting through the horizon. It was dark there as well. Since we just spoke about 5 minutes ago, I mean, look at this cam. Look at the chemtrails up there, and you tell me is everything all perfectly right? Is the sky perfect now? Is everything fine? No. I mean, come on, it's ridiculous. The military is absolutely spraying our skies every day now. Look at the clouding, it's just absolutely terrible what they're doing. The darkness on the land and that simulator, that blue object that's reflecting as well, cloaking devices. Failing now, isn't it? The cloaking device is failing up there. And all this reflections off the simulator. And we've got these strange chemical clouds and all these people down here breathing it in. They're breathing all these chems in because the chems, they don't go upwards, they go downwards, and they basically all these particles and droplets from these private, dangerous chemicals, poisons, absolute poisonous chemicals that are basically landed on our pets and our animals and our families and ourselves. Pollution, and they tell us that basically our car fumes are causing climate change problems. I mean, come on, NASA, government, you're just complete liars. It's just absolutely rubbish that you're absolutely turning around saying that it's our fault because of the weather changes. Come on. Look at the state of what you're causing our skies to be, NASA. And you're hiding, aren't you? You're not saying anything, are you? You need to now be open with us, because we can see that our skies are being blanketed every day. And we know that NEMESIS and Nibiru are on their way. We know they're heading on close to us now, because we're seeing huge objects and reflections on the horizons now. These two huge different colours. Look how dark this camera is on the sky at the top there. It's like our atmosphere is being burnt away, it's disappearing. Look how dark it is. And also, I mean, look at the blueness of the sky here. And also, these are chemtrails. These are being sprayed to hide everything possible. Completely sprayed. But what's really strange is this darkness. It's like space, isn't it? It's night time now, isn't it? The timestamp is 12:35, 37 seconds. It's all changing, isn't it? The dark skies have proven that we're in deep trouble here. I have never seen skies on these cams before like this for many, many years. And also other cams, I've noticed this dark sky above us. This huge shadow is coming. These shadows are from heavenly bodies, and they're very close now. Very, very close. This camera is very strange, because what happens is here you get this huge ray of shadows, okay? Now you've got an object down here as well. This is before the sun's coming up. What happens is something moves to the right, and this is what NEMESIS does. Okay, the binary twin moves like a comet. It goes to the right. Now watch this. It's very faint, you can see that light source moving to the right hand side, watch ready. It might go up a white screen because you don't need to see it, so if I can just take it to a 1, we'll see this now. Did you see that? Hold on. Did you see that? So it moves from here, and then it lights up here, moves. Here we go. Right across. Something moved across. Shifted straight across. Do you know what I mean? It's just very, very strange. Show you again, okay? Now, you can see it clearly lit up here, can't you? Clearly lit up here and then it lights up here again. So we have got 2 heavenly bodies. We've got 2 suns. Watch now. It might go a white screen there halfway through. Here we go. Can you see it's lighting up this end now? It's dark here, because this one's gone down. This one's lighting up. See? So we have got these heavenly bodies that are coming up on the horizons, and they're chemtrailing to hide it. They're chemtrailing every day to hide these bodies. And we need people to understand this. We need to wake people up. We need to save lives. It's so important that we save people's lives for this. People down here are not prepared. They're just carrying on thinking that everything's fine. It's not fine. There's another reflection coming up. The reflection's gone down. The sun doesn't move like this in Mexico. We're going to go to another cam now. This cam has been temporarily suspended, okay, because of technical problems. But you can clearly see this darkness in the sky, and also the light blue on the horizon, because we've got another heavenly body that's coming up. Now the thing is, so I believe that they banned the cam for some time, because it's showing too much evidence. I've noticed this before. Far too many white screens on these cams, and just too much evidence. I'm going to go to another cam now. This is another interesting cam. Okay, you will see the reflections from Nibiru coming through. And also you'll get these clouds that are going forwards, going towards it. Okay, like clouds do when they go towards the sun. The sun comes up this way from the other side, and we're getting this reflection from the binary and also Nibiru, helium, all the different reflections coming through now, colours. So watch carefully when these clouds follow the system. Okay? Now, we're getting this body that's rising up. We've got these clouds that are there to hide it. Okay? They're going towards the system. And also our sun will be coming up from this end reflected. So there you go, we've got this system that is going down now. And also these cams that are there to hide it. And it does this every day. Every day. The sun is reflecting from this end, so we're just pointing away from the sun now. Now, clouds just don't move to any part of the sky. They move towards huge objects that are lighting up in the other parts of the sky. It disappears. Gone on the horizon. We get this dark shadow again. So, we're very close now. We really are close to the system now. The system is showing on this cam as well, the horizon and also on the horizon. You've got the binary twin that's reflected on the left-hand side, and you've got Nibiru and other objects that are reflected on the right-hand side. So if you look at this cam as well, it's be very interesting. This here is not our sun. This is the binary twin reflection. Now our sun is coming up from this angle, from west, and is coming across the sky. You will see the sun reflecting on these buildings. This object here will stay here, and it basically moves up and down as it's reflecting. Okay? And basically, we are seeing this on the horizons now. They've been chemtrailing on other parts of the world to hide this, but they're not chemtrailed this morning on this one. You can see the haze, but look, watch this. This is not our sun, okay? Watch this. Now, as this comes up, you will see on the right-hand side this all lights up as well. Another heavenly body. I'll just move this now. You can see that this is not lighting. This is not coming up. It's not our sun. This here is another object that's reflecting to the right hand side. You see it brightening up. And also here it is. And it all goes away. It's all going down again. There you go. All going back down again. And then you just get this blue reflection for ages. Now the sun is coming up from the lower part of the sky to the left hand side. You'll see the sun reflecting now. You can see this as well, this object still on the horizon. Okay, so we have definitely got the heavenly bodies here. They are here. They're not going anywhere. This is what's causing all these earthquakes and all these sinkholes and other problems around the world. We're going to go to another camera. Here we go again on this Mexico cam. You'll see this reflection of the sun, the opposite side of the sunrise. Now these clouds will have the simulation of the sun that's reflecting off up behind us. But watch these clouds now. They're supposed to be going towards the sun. Okay, when the sun rises, it's supposed to be going towards the sun. It's 7:06 a.m. here on this cam in Mexico. And watch this. The clouds are moving away. Now there is something else, Nibiru, that's reflecting. The huge reflections are coming up now from the opposite side. This is the sun reflecting, okay, from our side behind us. And this is coming towards us, reflection. Now, you can see this red haze. Now, this heavenly body is coming in through our atmosphere. I mean, the reflections are coming through the atmosphere, the colours, we can see them now. I believe the heavenly body is still far out there in the solar system now. We're getting huge directional reflections. Now, look at these clouds, how they move towards it. They're not moving towards the sun. You can see here this huge blue red reflection coming from the opposite side. It's getting bigger every year. And they move towards the heavenly body as it disappears on the horizon again. Shouldn't be doing that, should be going towards the sun. Well, let me go to another cam now. Here's another cam as well in Mexico, and I want you to look at this area here on the cam. Okay? Now, when I flip through, you will get a yellow object is there on the horizon. It's behind these cans. You'll catch it through this part here. Can you see this yellow reflection now behind the chemtrails? This blue haze. Now the sun is pointing the other way. The sun is behind us again. You'll see this yellow haze, this object. Okay? It just doesn't make sense with the colouring right now. But the blue, you can see that. This something behind there. The rest of it is a different colour, isn't it? It's just got something that's behind there. And it moves behind the cans. I'm going to try another can now. This is another very interesting can. And we've got the two reflections. Okay? Now, always remember this, okay? It's not red sky at night, shepherds delight, is it? It's the wrong time of the year for that. It's February. Okay? Coming up to Valentine's Day, aren't we? So all you loved ones and family members, respect to you and have a nice evening. Anyway, so this proves a lot. Look at this. Okay? We've got the system, the reflections. Got a Nibiru reflecting, and then we will have another heavenly body coming up from the right. The sun is behind us. Okay, now the Mexico counts from this time of the year, we will have the sun behind us. Now look at this. It goes down, and then you've got this other reflection from another heavenly body coming up to the right hand side. Look, can you see this? It's coming up. Got these chemtrails that are coming through. Now the sun is coming up from behind us to the left hand side. You'll see the sun reflecting this blue object again to the right hand side. Can you see that? So what you'll see is one is moving across here. There's definitely something that's being cloaked, 100%. I believe this is the one to look for. This is the one to worry about. This huge reflection coming through. It looks like a snowball, doesn't it? Just like a huge comet. It really does. And I believe this could be the object that I spotted last year. It's got so big now. Okay? We're seeing it in our morning skies. Now this other reflection, okay, from And down on the horizon you can see these gems are reflecting off it. I mean, it's just spectacular to see the different colours. I mean, here we have this huge body, this heavy body, Nibiru, that's reflecting. And also from the right hand side, you've got this huge asteroid, or I don't know what it is, but it's a large body that's up there as well. And the government don't want us to see it. But we're still seeing all the reflections right now. All these huge reflections that spray in our skies. It's not making us well at all, is it? It's very, very harmful, full of toxins. And I'd like to open up about the chemtrails, because chemtrails need to be exposed. People need to know this, that these chemtrails are harming us. And then what you'll see is you'll see our natural sun coming up in front of us. Can you see the reflections now? It's nothing to do with what you saw on the reflections to the left and to the right. But all through the day you will get this light source on the opposite side. I'm going to go to another cam now, so respect to everybody. Okay, it's 1 o'clock on this cam. 1:07:18 seconds over there in Mexico right now. It's 6th of the 2nd, 2017. You can see the date and timestamp on the screen. And again, as I said before, many a time it's too dark. It really is too dark. They get a huge shadow that's in front of our sun, because you've got them huge objects up there in front of our sun now. You've got all of them up there at that time of the day. Okay? And it's just absolutely outstanding how people still think everything's fine. They've been believing the TV media for many years. They really have. Mind control, things, it's just basically, I mean, throw the thing out the window, because I'm thinking of throwing my telly out the window, I tell you, because it's just full of lies. It's just repeated programs. I mean, it's so TV's finished now, isn't it, Anyway, so I'm going to go through this cam now to see what we can see in the skies. Okay, you're getting 2 light sources on this cam as well. You'll see a light source on the right hand side, and you'll see another object to the left hand side. The sun is coming from behind us here. The thing is, I want you to have a look at this, very important. You can see this light source is coming up on the horizon. Now, here in the UK, this will be chemtrailed. in other parts of the world as well. And you'll get this other light source coming up on the right hand side. This light source is, you can see the haze now where it's getting more redder. This shadow above the top as well. And you can see this line of trash. Okay? Now this, I believe, is all the trash that's coming through. Now we can see the reflection of the trash. But let me tell you, when this object gets very clear in the sky, that's it. And this is what government are hiding. But why are they still showing it on the Mexico cameras? I just don't understand. Because the thing is, so I believe that maybe it's because the big cities, Europe, UK, United States, other parts of big business banking system, parts of the world are being covered and sprayed. We've witnessed it and we've seen it. Because people on other channels that are watching them chemtrails live in big areas. I'm going to now carry on with this cam and you will see this object, okay, this reflection coming up, and I believe this to be the Nibiru system. This here is another object, is just absolutely outstanding for what we're seeing here on these cams now. We have never seen it like this before. Okay? We've never seen these objects before this close. Now there's a huge dark patch in the sky on the left hand side. You can see these chemtrails are working way through. So it will trying itself to hide it all, everything. This is going down now. Okay, now if it was our natural sun, it would be up and ready now, wasn't it? You saw that celestial body. Okay, you saw that. Okay, you can see the light source of it now. Okay, you can see the trash. This is the wings of Nibiru. I don't know, but what I'm saying is these heavenly bodies is even reflected on the sea. It's brightening up the sea there. And then it goes down, and again this other light source coming up on the horizon. Okay, there is definitely something going on now, isn't there? We can see it, can't we? We can see this. And then it goes away. See? It goes away. Just absolutely outstanding. We can see these objects now. Every single day now. Here we are. You can see that, can't you? I'm going to go now to another cam, see what we can find. Okay, this is another cam. Okay, you've got the plasma from the sun coming up with this red reflection, all these chemtrails. Okay, now also as well, this concern is this green sky on the horizon. I think many of you have seen this on the horizons. This green sky, very strange. Now, the thing is, we're going to look at this go up now, and you can see this, what I'm looking at now in a minute, is very blue reflection from another celestial body coming up to the right hand side. You can see this, can't you? This blue reflection again. There's the red reflection, the blue reflection. Two different reflections. Don't be fooled that this is our sky. This is another body in light blue that's coming up. It's dark on the ground. So basically these chemtrails are hiding or trying to hide the system now. Going to go to another cam. This is another live cam, okay, in Mexico. The time's down there's 2:15. Now Mexico is a very bright, hot place, okay? Now it's too dark again, you can see these pink reflections and this dark sky dimming. Now we get this when we get a solar eclipse, okay? And we are having a huge solar eclipse, not just with our moon. This is not the moon that's eclipsing. This is celestial bodies, okay, from the brand of a star and its system. So I'm going to flip through this cam now, see if you can see anything strange. On this cam, okay, we're going to catch it very low. We're going to get the blue reflection and the red reflection. Not much to see on this cam, but you will see those reflections. Okay, so if I take it down to 5, I'll press on, and you can see. By the way, I want to apologise for the tapping, okay, because I'm not using the microphone at the moment because it's making a bit of a buzzing noise, so I've taken that off, and I just want you to hear me and see the footage, but I will sort it out tomorrow. Okay, so I know tapping can be a bit annoying, but I just want you to see what's going on in the skies. Okay, so I'm going to go and press on to show you this. You've got this red haze. Okay, it's in the sky. I mean, the ground is picking the red haze up as well in the sea. It's very red and pinkish. You'll see that now it's coming through this red shadow. I mean, the thing is, basically, this is gonna be a huge event, isn't it? I mean, look at the size of these reflections. It's a huge event that's coming our way. It's red here, all here. It's the same colour in the skies. This object, now the orangeness is from the binary twin. The brown dwarf star is very close, very close now. And then you get this, see that there? These colour changes in the sky, these are reflections, okay, from heavenly bodies. Can you see that? It gets lighter and darker, and then it all goes away again, the blue reflection. Gets lighter, gets darker. We're getting all these reflections and shadows, huge shadows. I'm going to go to another cam now. I mean, this cam says it all, doesn't it? This is called a cam. This is in Mexico as well. Now, it just says everything. The darkness on the ground, the dark shadow to the left and to the right, and our sun burning the hydrogen off the clouds, and that silvery haze in the background. And basically, this is showing from a different angle. So on the cams that we've been watching tonight, we've been watching the opposite side when the sun is rising. We're seeing the sun here on this cam. Time there is 3:28, 21 seconds, February, okay? And we're still getting dark skies. Winter's gone, nearly gone. Okay? We're heading into spring. Now, the thing is, when we go through spring and summer, and we still see these dark skies, I believe then that people are going to start really noticing. Because here, again, people driving around with their headlights on all day here in the UK, close to where I am. And it was too dark, far too dark. They're hiding the dark shadows in the skies, and the sun is just totally being covered now. It really is being covered. Because if you look at the eclipse, the solar eclipse videos on YouTube, you will see this darkness in the skies, this dark shadows, because the binary twin is in front of our sun now. Nemesis, the sun's evil twin, is in front of our sun. And look how dark it's getting. The sun is burning twice as much. and also against some harmful rays from the binary twin and their chemtrailing every day to stop this, because most of them rays go straight to the core of our Earth, causing all the earthquakes and many other problems. But again, still people still think it's normal going on their holidays on the beach. I just wish I could just reach out and tell them, because the thing is, the system's coming out. This is a live cam. Okay, this is a live cam in Mexico as well. Look how sad the chemtrails, look at the chemtrails. It's sad, isn't it, to see this? The clouds are trying to be burned all the way through. You know, the sun and binary twins burning through those chems. I mean, it's very thick up there. You know, you can see that in the sky, can't you? All these chemicals being pumped up there every single day. And the powers to be are getting away with it, aren't they? They've been getting away with it too long now. Because I have said this many times in the past, and you know this, that the Sumerians and also the Celts and other ancient people in the past witnessed these heavenly bodies pass. And basically, if we could just get those chems removed, because we're all natural beings on this planet, and we all just want to see. We want to see them now. Because at the end of the day, we don't care about the banking system. Because at the end of the day, we just want to see the truth, don't we? We want to see the truth of what's going on. Everybody that's watching the channel and other great channels that just want to show the truth are wide awake to this. They can see the skies in the morning, they can see the chems. They're spraying our sun every day. Totally ashames me how I see those chemtrails being sprayed. Just, I know what's going on because I have seen the system myself. I'm going to go to another cam. Here's another piece of footage as well on the Mexico cams. Okay? 10:06 in the morning. Look how dark it is. Now, this is quite interesting because we have two reflections from two different objects. All these are chemtrails. Do not be fooled that these are natural clouds. These are thick, sprayed, different chemicals. Now, look at this object here. It moves too fast for the sun. Now look at the timestamp. 1806. Okay? Now, if I go this way, here it is again. This object. 1804. Look how fast it leaps in a few minutes. Jumps. Okay? 10:04. Okay? 10:06. Not 18:06, I apologise for that. 10:06 a.m. Okay, we've got these objects. This object here is jumping. Very strange. I'm going to go to another cam now. This is one of Mexico's famous volcano cams. Okay, look at this red colour on the clouds. Dimness in the sky as well. It's only 2:27:34 seconds. It's too dark, far too dark for the day. Here on this cam as well in Mexico, look at the blueness of this object in front of our sun. Okay, redness all the way around it. Another reflection to the right hand side. So again, the blue reflection in front of our sun, and then again the redness around the background of the right hand side. I'm going to go and check through this canvas in 2 seconds. I want to show you this, okay? This is our sun that's coming up. The sun is coming up from the opposite side. I've zoomed in on this cam to show you this reflection on the right hand side. Okay? This huge reflection is coming up. So I'm just going to check to see if I've got the camera in place. Yes, I have, so you can see this. Now, can you see this coming up on the right hand side? See that? This yellow celestial object. Okay? The sun is on the opposite side coming up, and then it disappears. Look at this. Here it is. It's a reflection from the binary twin, NEMESIS. Is NASA trying to say? Is NASA trying to not hide it over Mexico? Do they want the people to see it over there? Because the thing is, though, it's so blatantly obvious now, isn't it? I mean, look at that. It goes up, it goes away. It's a shame the camera's pointing straight ahead because we can move the camera to the right and see it. You can see that 100% reflections. Comes up, and goes down. See what I mean? It's spectacular, isn't it? Here it is in full view of the cam, the full view cam. You can see this. On the right, keep an eye on the right hand side. The sun will come up this side, okay, and come across. You will see this now, okay? The reflection. There it is, before the sun comes up. You've got this celestial reflection. Let's to another cam now. I'm zoomed in here by the sun. You can see this simulator, okay? The sun is behind it. There's an object just here. Can you see this? It might not be anything, but what I'm saying is so I can see and zoomed in on this as well. My laptop and my screen, I can see something really strange with that. Anyway, I'm going to go to another cam now, but it's just picking up different bits and pieces along the way. Just going back to this cam, I'm just noticing I've zoomed in on my large screen and I can see definitely there's something there. It's not lens flare. It's definitely something that's travelling with the sun there. It's basically staying in the same place, but it's very, very strange. Anyway, next cam. Here on this cam as well, you will see two reflections to the left hand side. You'll see our sun coming up, but you'll see another object that's illuminating on this side here first before our sun comes up. Look at this. It's coming up now on the horizon. Okay, 6:32 a.m. And then it's 6:34 a.m. 6:36 a.m. and then it disappears. Gone. And again, this other bright object coming up from the right-hand side. Gone. Okay, this is not our natural sun. This is another reflection. It's gone. I'm going to go to another cam now. Here we are on this cam as well. We've got this light source that's coming up and then it disappears. Over here on this side of the cam, watch this. It's happening everywhere, isn't it? It is. We've got this blue haze and the red reflection at the bottom. And it lifts itself up on the horizon, reflects on the sea, and then disappears. Gone. You've got this red shadow on the right-hand side. And it's gone. So I'm going to go now anyway, so I want to say respect to everybody, and I will do some more footage again tomorrow, look at the cams, and I'll see what the Skyline cams are saying, and also the new footage from the Soho charts as well. And also there's been reports as well of huge asteroids again. Now, it's so important, as I said before, to prepare for this, because the reflections are showing themselves in the skies now. Huge reflections. Here, south at 2 a.m. in the morning, we're getting a huge reflection like a sunrise. It's being chemtrailed. Sometimes they miss it, so you can see that slight sunrise. But the sun is supposed to be coming up from another side. Very strange times. Anyway, so respect to you, and take care from Matt Rogers.